away, I've gotten a little skinny, and I'm finally starting to feel like myself again. I think there's really something to it. Maybe. Well, let's just hope Jake doesn't want sudden nasal. And as morning arrived, so did Samantha's release.
I'm sorry it took me so long to arrive.
Well, you're here now, Mr. Mahmood.
I never got word until I arrived at Memphis.
I'm sorry that you had to come all the way out here.
Well, it is all settled now.
Thanks to you.
Good to see you again, ladies.
Thank you so much. Stark. Hello? What's for breakfast? Abdul? Anybody? That's odd. Where are they? Hello?
Miss Jones, please.
Samantha, Mr. Francis.
This is Samantha Jones.
Ah, Miss Jones. This is Beidun at the front desk. I will need a credit card number for the room charges.
Beidun, there must be some mistake. I am a guest of Sheikh Khalid. There is no room charge.
Yes, I have a record of that, but not from today on.
What are you talking about? I have a meeting with the Sheikh on Tuesday.
Ah, yes. I have a note here from Mr. Mahmoud. That meeting is no longer as well.
That sneaky bastard has canceled the meeting, and he wants us to pay for the room from now on.
We have you booked into the Jewel Suite until Wednesday. The charge is $22,000 per night.
The room is $22,000 a night. What? We can't pay that. Let him sue me. The punishment for not paying your hotel bill in the